How long does it take to learn AutoCAD? If you're considering diving into this powerful design software, you've probably asked yourself this question. Let's break it down. AutoCAD is a must-have skill in industries like architecture, engineering, and product design. But how long does it take to master? Well, that depends on a few key factors. Your learning speed comes down to your background, your training method, and how much time you dedicate to practice. Some people pick up the basics in just a few days or weeks, while others take months to reach a professional level. So what really impacts how long it takes to learn AutoCAD? A few important things: your prior experience with CAD software, the complexity of the projects you want to create, your chosen learning method, and most importantly, how much time you spend practicing. If you're focusing on the basics, structured training can get you up and running in just 9 to 14 days. With about a month of consistent practice, you can reach an intermediate level. And if you're aiming for advanced skills like 3D modeling and automation, expect to invest 3 to 6 months to truly master the software. Now let's talk about learning methods. You have 4 main options: in-person classes for hands-on instruction, live online courses for interactive, real-time learning, on-demand courses for flexible self-paced study, and self-guided learning if you prefer to explore on your own. No matter how you learn, practice is everything. Repeating commands, working on real-world projects, and experimenting with different tools will help you build confidence and speed. Wondering about costs? Autodesk offers free trials and student licenses, but for long-term use, you'll need a paid subscription. Training costs vary, from affordable online courses to full certificate programs. Check out our other video on how much AutoCAD costs for a full breakdown. Ready to start learning AutoCAD? At VDCI, we offer expert-led courses and accredited programs, all 100% online. Enroll today and take your design skills to the next level.